بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم وانتظروا إنا منتظرون ولله يا رسول الله يا طيبة جئتك صبا ولرسول الله
को दीन मिला बेदीनों ने कलमा पढ़ा ला इलाहा इल्लल्लाह.
It's got a bit of a shine to it.
Yeah, no, they're brilliant. Oh.
So look at £250 on the table. Manchester and the local councillor. So Yasmin Dar, she's a very good friend of this charity. She's also a very good friend of the late Shamim Mahmood. What an amazing Lord Mayor Yasmin has been. Let's give her a big round.
So a massive Ramadan Mubarak to everyone, and it's really important to me in regards to the charity which I've supported for many years. And obviously you've heard that the actual founder was Shamim Mahmood.
Over £20,000 from the people here. Big round of applause for yourselves.
आज लिटिल एंजल्स चैरिटी जिसकी बुनियाद मोहतरमा शमीम साहिबा ने रखी थी 20 साल कबल, मैं डे 1 से इस चैरिटी को सपोर्ट कर रहा हूँ। और ये चैरिटी लाहौर में, बरारकोट में, सरगोदा में आर्फनेज सेंटर चला रही है। बर्मिंघम बेस्ड ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है, लेकिन हर साल मैनचेस्टर में भी ये फंड रेजिंग करते हैं।
Assalamu alaikum. I've been attending Help Little Angels charity event for the last few years. Alhamdulillah, it's been a great event once again this year. A lot of generous donations, and inshallah, I hope next year.
Assalamu alaikum. It's my first time at this event today. Alhamdulillah, we've had a really nice turnout.
आज हम यहाँ मैनचेस्टर के मुकामी हॉल में मौजूद हैं। ये हेल्पिंग एंजल्स के ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है जिन्होंने यहाँ एक फंड रेजिंग इवेंट किया। बहुत अच्छा इवेंट था, बहुत सारे लोग यहाँ आए।
Celebrating 20 years of helping little angels in charitable work, mainly
Fantastic event here in Manchester, celebrating 20 years of helping little angels.
Yeah, we've had an amazing time, and thank you to everybody who ran the show today.
I've got 350 over there. I'm looking for £400. Let's give £400. Let's give £400 for the items. I've got 350. I'm looking for £400. £400 on the whoa! I can tell you that. I'm looking for 550. I'm looking for 550. Is that right? Yeah, 550. I've got 550. No, I've lost my thread now. I had 500 somewhere. I'm looking for £550. £500.